back to my channel. Are you ready for today's video? Because I am. I am so ready. Ooh! So in today's video, we are laminating my eyebrows. If you don't know what brow lamination is, it is like the newest craze? Trend? It's pretty much perming your eyebrows. It's a way to kind of get that feathery model eyebrow where all the hairs are like up and like whoop. And on top of that, we are going to be tinting my eyebrows too. So I'm naturally strawberry blonde, and so my eyebrows are very light, and I have a lot of blonde through my brows that just don't really show up until I put something on them. So I'm actually really excited to look like I have eyebrows when I wake up. Like, what is that life? I can't relate. I'm really excited about this video, and I hope you're excited too. Yeah, let's just get into it. First, before we do anything, subscribe. That little button down there, hit it. Okay, did you hit it? Alright, cool. Join the Alley Cat fam. Alley Cat. I don't know if I should keep doing that or not. But yeah, join the Alley Cat fam. I want you to be a part of my Alley Cats. Please hit that notification bell so you know when I post. I post every Friday. Follow me on Instagram to get sneak peeks of my new videos coming out. And some, some poses and photos from previous looks. Anyways, let's just get into the video. So, to laminate my eyebrows, we're going to be using a kit that I bought off of Amazon. Disclaimer, I'm a licensed esthetician. I am legally able to do lash lifts, eyebrow lifts, perming, using these chemicals around the eye area. I just wouldn't recommend doing this on yourself or anyone else, absolutely no one else, unless you are a licensed professional. I'm not going to link the product, I'll show it, but I'm not going to link the kit because I really don't think that anyone who's not a licensed esthetician should be laminating their eyebrows. This is the lash kit. It is a lash lift kit. Pretty much the same solution that you would use to lift your eyelashes and do a lash lift is going to be used on the eyebrows. It's a perming solution again, but it's not like you can go out and buy a hair perm and put that on your eyes or your eyebrows. Do not do that. That is not the same thing, okay? Don't do that. That is very unsafe. You could go blind. There are many risks, and you risk sensitivity to the product at the very least. It comes with 4 steps. It actually comes with a false lashes glue. The 4 steps in this process are step 1, perm, step 2, fixation, step 3, nutrition, and step 4, cleanser. This kit also comes with a cleaning tool and lift pads. The cleaning tool has a grip at the very bottom of it, and then it has one flat side, and then it has one comb side. So I want to see how this product works, so I'm going to be following the directions that are on the back of the box. So for the first direction, it says use the cleanser solution to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. So I'm going to do one eyebrow at a time. So I'm going to start on this eyebrow. First I'm just going to use the cleaning tool and I'm just going to brush through my brows real fast. We're going to go ahead and use the cleanser. I'm going to put a little on a cotton ball. And go ahead and clean. I'm going to clean both eyebrows. Next, you're going to be using the false lashes glue that came in the kit. You're going to be putting that on your eyebrows, which sounds really weird. This is kind of your first step in getting your hairs the way you want them to sit, the way they're going to be permed. So you're going to brush that over top of your hairs. Quickly brush through and get them in place the way you would like. I'm taking out a couple hairs with this tool. My hairs are so stubborn that even with lash glue, it's like, nah. So you want this to set for like 1 minute. Look how fucking crazy that looks. So now you applied the perming solution and then right away cover that with plastic film. I'm just going to be using plastic wrap. I'm just using a Q-tip to apply it. Yep, it smells like a perm. Beautiful. You're going to cover this up for 4 to 5 minutes and let me make sure I'm watching the time. Okay. I'm terrified, actually. I don't know why. I do weird things to myself all the time. So I'll be back in 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back and it has now been 5 minutes. So let's take this off. Oh, the smell. It's like an old grandma fart. Oh. Let's move on. The next step is fixation. You apply the fixation right over top of the perm. You cover your eyebrow again. See you in 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, so let's take this off. Ah, I'm scared. Okay, let's take it off this way. Nice and stinky. Okay, so the next step is to use the cleanser. What the fuck? Oh my god, it looks so weird. It looks so weird. Oh no, are they stuck like this? Okay. Everything's fine. Whoa. Let's apply the last step, and that's nutrition. I'm a little freaked out, to be honest. We'll see. I'm gonna brush through my hairs again and see. Oh boy, they're up there. They are up there. I don't know how easy this is to tell when I have really blonde eyebrows. Interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eyebrow off camera. And then I'll be back to tint, okay? I'm back. You know, this is kind of like giving your eyebrows boners. They're all just like standing at attention right now. I don't know why I did that because I'm picturing things and I'm sorry. It looks a little weird. I mean, I'll be zooming in so you can see, but I kind of like it. Makes my eyebrows look fuller, which is kind of nice. This is like, though I am licensed to do this service, I haven't done it on myself. So this is the first time I've ever seen myself with these eyebrows. I'm feeling it. The next thing I want to do is tint my eyebrows since they're, you know, now might as well tint them so people can actually see my eyebrows because they're still pretty invisible right now. So, yeah. So I'm going to use the Just for Men Mustache and Beard dye in medium brown. I'm going to use this to tint my eyebrows. A lot of people have recommended doing it this way. There are actual products for your eyebrows to tint them. I suggest you go that route. The dyes that they've released specifically for eyebrows have been tested around the eyebrow skin to know that it's going to be okay for the skin around the eyebrows. I would go with that and I wouldn't do what I'm doing. Okay? But inside the box you get gloves, you get all of this here. So you have a brush to apply it. You have the color developer and the color base. What you're going to do is apply an equal amount of the color base and the developer inside this little tray here. Mix that around with the end of the brush, then apply it. Now, I'm not going to apply it with the brush. This is really big and I want to be a little more precise, so I'm going to apply it with a brow brush. I'm just going to use a Sephora brow brush. I'm a little nervous. I've tinted my eyebrows before, but using actual brow tinting products. So we'll see how this goes. Then you're going to mix that up. And then you're going to apply that directly to the brows and leave it on for 5 minutes, no longer, okay? So I have some on my brush. And I don't mind it getting on my skin, so I'm not putting petroleum jelly, but you can put petroleum jelly around your eyebrows to keep the color exactly where you want it. Now I want to make sure that my brows are completely coated, so I'm going to mess them up. I'm going to go against the grain. I'm going to move them around a little bit. I want to make sure that these things are coated. Okay, the product's on, so I'm going to wait 5 minutes and take that off. I'm going to go ahead and do the other brow too, but I wrote down the time that I have to take the first brow off just to make sure I don't forget. Oh my god! What the fuck? I didn't realize I accidentally dragged dye all the way down. Oh my god, what? Ah! I have water right next to me, so I'm just gonna like wash that off my skin because I don't want an eyebrow that goes all the way to my temple. Ooh, she looking dark and thick over there. Oh boy. Oh boy. What is going on? Oh shit. That's thick. That is a thick eyebrow over there. Whoa. Cara Delevingne, I'm coming for ya. Oh shit. Okay, I'm taking off the first eyebrow. It needs to happen now. Oh god. Oh god. I'm freaking out a little bit. Okay. Okay, let's rinse this off. Oh shit. Fuck. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I kind of like it. Hold on. Ooh. Hold on. It's kind of nice. Wait a minute. Okay. I kind of like that. Oh shit. That looks good. I can imagine like filling it in is gonna be so nice. Like, ooh, ooh. I'm so excited. Ah! Okay, let's get this other eyebrow off. I don't like that. Look, I have eyebrows. I have eyebrows. What the fuck? That's so weird. Oh my god. I'm freaked out, but I love it. It's so weird. And especially since I just did the brow lamination too, like they're laid so perfectly right now. I can't wait to fill these babies in. I don't see me stopping now. I really hope this lasts more than just a couple weeks. Oh my god, it looks so good. Dude! I'm so excited. So I'm not going to fill them in on camera because I'm about to do a video. I'll see you in a moment. Who else is obsessed right now? I am addicted now. I am straight up addicted. I am not going to stop laminating and tinting my eyebrows. I'm so excited. Oh, I just filmed 2 more videos in my basics series. One having to do with eyebrows, and the other having to do with no makeup. So that's why I have full face on right now. But it was so easy to do my eyebrows. It was so easy. Like, it took like 3 minutes. Like, nothing. Dude, I'm so excited. That video is going to be so short. But I love it. I love it. Find a professional in your area to go and get this service done correctly so that you don't get chemicals in your eyeballs and go blind. Okay, please don't do this at home. But I absolutely love this technique. My brows look so full and youthful and defined. I hope you guys liked watching me tint and laminate my eyebrows. And if you did, please subscribe. Join the Alley Cat fam. Alley Cat. I know you want to be an alley cat. Come on. Come on. Even if you're a dog person, you can join the fam. Come on. I love dogs too. Like the video. Share it with your friends and family so that they can become alley cats too. And hit that notification bell. It's so important. Please hit that bell so you know every time I post. I post every Friday. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye!